I have some more incredible updated 2026 price predictions. You got to see this. Will they get blown out? We're going to talk about that on this morning's gold and silver updates. Hey, good morning, everybody. Happy coffee. It is Friday. We made it to freaking Friday, right? Or is it Freaky Friday? Is it Freaky Silver Friday, guys? Happy coffee to that. It is Friday. I don't have to work tomorrow, which is fantastic. I'm feeling really good. Got lots of energy this morning. Got some things to talk about. Hey, I've done a new 2026 silver price forecast. And we're going to have to talk about that. Okay. It might get completely blown out of this world, but it is a very conservative silver forecast for 2026. Let's take a look at it here shortly. But before we do that, we're going to go over gold and silver prices. And before we do that, we're going to tell everybody how much we appreciate you. Happy coffee. I wish employers would tell their employees how much they appreciate them, right? And, even maybe give them a bonus or a Christmas dinner or something. But some companies just don't believe in sharing the wealth, guys. I'm different about that. So, hey, remember, Monday we announced the winners of the Goldback and the Libertad Copper bar. You need to get a hold of me. Sess, you need to get a hold of me. And Sub Christina, 887, got to get a hold of me, guys. You remember how to do that. Got to go to the my homepage, and right there on Swamp East Bullion's link, it says more. You got to click on more right there, and it drops down another window where it has email. So when you do that, you need to let me know. So I get a jillion spam emails, so I got to go through them. So thank you, everybody, from the bottom of my heart to your living room. We are blowing up on this channel. We're pushing 5,500 subscribers now, getting really close. Within just, 20 or 30 maybe at best. I haven't really looked at it, but channel's doing fantastic, getting close to 600,000 views. We're tracking for 165,000 views every month, which for a small channel, a new channel, is really good. And it's because of you, not because of me. All I do is do the work and put the videos on here. You're the ones that make it happen. So thank you so very much, all over the United States, all over the world, Europe, Southeast Asia, where is it? Persia, India, all over the place, UK, Canada. But thank you, Texas. Thank you, Florida. Thank you, California. And New York City, some of my biggest viewers, and I appreciate you guys too, but I appreciate everybody. So if it wasn't for everybody, we are a team, right? I'm just the quarterback. If it wasn't for everybody, we wouldn't be here. So let's get started on some happy Friday gold and silver prices, guys. They are holding strong. Usually on Fridays, we see them really crash, and it very well could. And when I say crash, I'm like, used to, I'd say $3-4, but now silver will go up $3 or $4 in a matter of hours, and it'll go down too. So, but will it stay with us today? Gold is at 4607.80. It's down $7.50, but it's killing it, man. All these are killing it, right? Happy coffee, everybody. one of my viewers said happy vodka. So I'm gonna be nice and I'm gonna say, hey, Will, at TNW Tire in Oklahoma City, happy vodka, buddy. Anyway, I said it. I don't like it. I don't like vodka. It's nasty. Well, at least I think it is. But coffee's better. So 4607.80 on gold, 91.29 on silver, guys. It is really holding. It's staying over 90. I mean, we're fluctuating. We're going up to 92. Then we'll go to high 90s on silver price. But right now it's 91.29. It's actually down $1. So it went up over 92 overnight. I did see it at 2 o'clock in the morning. Yeah. Yeah. Or maybe was it 12? I don't know. Anyway, I train my sleeping habits for you, everyone. Platinum. Yeah, silver. What is silver going to do in 2026? I've got some updated price predictions, so stay with me. Platinum 2337. It is really down. It's down $73. So we're talking it went over 2,400. Platinum is fantastic. We're just talking to a friend about platinum last night. He has a lot of money invested in gold and silver, mainly silver. And I said, have you looked into platinum? Platinum is a good one, everybody. I think it's going to really, really climb along with all the other metals, right? So palladium, 1732. It's down quite a bit. It's down $75 too. 1732. So when those things fluctuate, they do fluctuate quite a bit in dollar amounts. Gold has not. Gold has stayed pretty even Steven. I mean, it hasn't really come down massively, and it stayed pretty solid. So I think that's why a lot of people invest in gold, is because it continues to climb. It's pretty stable. It's not near as volatile as silver is, and platinum is fairly volatile right now. Not as much as silver by any means, but silver's so undervalued, guys. It's just going to continue to just go up. But how much? How much? We did some averages, and we're fixing to talk about that. 46.12 in Hong Kong on gold, and 89.89 in Hong Kong on gold. And then we've got Mumbai is 45.92.15 on gold and 87.70 on silver. Yeah, 89.99 on silver on Hong Kong. So are these going to bring our prices down today? These Hong Kong, Mumbai, we have, London's up. London's at 91.28 and 46.11 on gold. And actually New York, that's kind of shocking. I don't know if that's right. Anyway, I'm not going to work on that one. Let's look at our gold and silver ratio. Do we have any surprises? It's about the same, 50.54. So it's holding strong. It just changed, 50.56. Let's just call it 50-1, right? That's pretty good. Is it going to break 49? The GSR, is it going to happen? We're going to find out today. Gold backs holding strong with gold. Gold stayed pretty close to the same yesterday. $9.21. Exchange rate, everybody. They're a big thing. They're blowing up all over the United States. We got California coming on, possibly Washington coming on. We got other states coming on. They've got an announcement on some more states coming up, and I need to look into that. I haven't done that yet. And I'm gonna try. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna see if I can get Goldback to donate us some hats that I can do in a giveaway. But we'll try that. We'll give them a call, and we'll talk about maybe donating some hats to SSC so I can bring those to you, everybody, in a giveaway, of course. So Let's go on to our base metal prices. Our copper's down just a little bit today. It's at 596. It's been holding about 602 pretty much all week, but still doing great. Nickel's at 798. It's actually down 18 cents. Nickel is, and I'm excited about getting my nickel in. I've got some cool bars coming in, really cool, from Central Metals Mint here in the United States. 999 pure nickel. I think they'll be cool. If they're really cool and I like them, I might get a couple more. I mean, I'm not going to stack 400 or 500 of them, but I might get a couple more just to have, just to show people, you know. And it might be good. It might be a good thing. So aluminum is at like $1.43. Somebody in California, I think it was Joe, said that it was like $2 in California. So people picking up a lot of cans and doing a lot of recycling, right? And zinc at $1.46, and of course lead 92. Guys, Bitcoin it's actually holding fairly well. It's stayed in the 90s. I'm not a Bitcoin guy. I'll never be a Bitcoin guy, but it's $95,398. So let's move on. I don't spend much time on Bitcoin. I never did tell you what rhodium was. Rhodium's 98.50. 98.50. We're holding in there, rhodium. Let's talk about the silver prices, everybody. My predictions. I put this together yesterday, actually. I went through 6 months of silver prices on, yesterday. And you got to remember, it's plus or minus a little bit. It's not always 100%, but it's really close, everybody. Really close. So August 1st of 2025, and I did this kind of yesterday, but I think I got a little closer, or the day before yesterday, maybe yesterday's video. Yeah, yesterday morning's video. But as I went through the day, I think I've got some little bit better prices. So on August 1st of last year, we were at like 36.54, and silver on January 1st was roughly 71.87. Hopefully that's right. I did do some checking. I pulled some numbers up. I did them in the charts, not AI. Although AI can be right, you know. I pulled up some charts and did the numbers that way. So we had roughly an increase of 33 in 6 months on silver. Fantastic increase in your silver stacks, everybody. Wow, what a bump. I mean, happy coffee to that, everybody. Happy coffee. Golly. It makes me proud of what I've done. So we're looking at an average increase roughly of $4.18, $4.20 per ounce per month. Okay, so we put those numbers together and we came up with these numbers. Okay, now these numbers do not include small dips, big dips in the market. They don't really they do kind of factor it. Yeah, they do factor it in the way it is because it's averaged. So, but I didn't really figure in the factors of possible interest rate cuts, things happening in this world that we cannot predict, wars that we may not be able to predict. So those factors are not in that. But could these numbers get exploded this year by silver? Yes, they can. But I actually put mathematical numbers together. So we're starting in February. This month, I think we're gonna hold strong in the mid 90s, possibly 94 this month. But for February, I've got $95, okay, for an average. It might spike to 98, 99, who knows, in February, but I've got $95 average excuse me, in February of 2026. Moving on to March, I've got 99. So we're going up. 99 average in March. Remember, it could spike, it could drop, it could dip, it could come way down and then climb way back up. So we'll see how close I get to these numbers, right? $99 in March. In April, I've got 103. We break that 103 mark and hold 103 or more in March, everybody. So we'll see how close that number is in March. I believe in my heart, I've got about a 65%, 70% chance that these numbers will get smoked this year. But I took actual averages, and that's how I came up with these predictions on a average to $4.18 to $4.20 a month increase. So we got January, March, April. Yeah. May. SSC here. ADHD at your service. Golly. $107 average for May. So January, yeah, I've had February, March, April, May. And in June, I've got $111 price prediction. And July, last one, July, $116. Still fantastic predictions, but will they hold with silver? Could silver hit $140 by March? It could, everybody. And my price predictions could get smoked. So, hey, everybody, happy Friday once again. And gold and silver. Gold is at 46.06 and silver at 90.92. Will we continue the climb on Friday? Will we see a dip today? Will it climb? I think it'll climb. I don't know that it'll climb real high, but I think it'll climb. So everybody have a happy Friday. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. Remember to thank our Heavenly Father for everything that you have and not what you don't have. So happy Friday. Everybody have a fantastic weekend. I'm out.